Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Capricorn. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Capricorn. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. So we have 5 of fire, 7 of fire, and 9 of earth. So in your circumstances today, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So Capricorn, you are someone who's really skilled and talented, and you have that inspiration in your heart, feeling really cheerful, and you are a dedicated person. So whatever you take up, whatever decisions you make, whatever choices, let that be. So in your work situation or in your relationship, you go the distance, you do it, try to do it with all your efforts, skills and talents, having that grit and perseverance, though you may see some obstacles and struggles on the way. You are making relentless efforts, working towards your goals and ideals, whatever you have. And you are someone really confident and intelligent, brilliant, able to handle your situation perfectly, guys. So you make a lot of efforts and you never give up when you are committed. When you start on something, you never give up in the middle. So you have that perseverance and that determination in your heart, guys. And that may be the reason you are building yourself that strong foundation in your career and in your relationship. Maybe in this relationship with this person you love. You are trying to build a beautiful relationship, trying to build that understanding. Maybe this person is different, their views and ideas are different and yours is different, but you may be the opposites of each other, but you have a beautiful understanding, intimacy and harmony in this relationship. Things are going in a positive way, you know what will work, and you are a friendly person, grounded, you know what will make things go in a harmonious way. So though there may be difference of opinions you may have between each other, you are trying to do the best thing today, guys, finding unity in diversity and making this connection work, making this relationship work. That may be the reason you are seeing a strong foundation made in this relationship. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 6 of fire. So with this card, guys, maybe you are stepping up to the next step in this connection, moving towards some happy changes, and people are feeling really inspired, seeing you, seeing the way you are handling your circumstances, guys. and you are feeling really cheerful, confident, and there are many people attracted to you. They are attracted to your charm, your cheerfulness, your determination, and you have your your own way of handling your circumstances, guys. And you are someone fun loving, cheerful. That may be the reason this person loves you, and they feel really confident, happy, really feeling inspired when they are with you. So you are influencing them in the right way, Capricorn. So this person feels really at home with you guys. So that is what I see for your relationship, guys. So for your career situation, we have Magician. So you know what will work, and you are making those choices in your career, guys. So the right choices, what inspires you to go in the right way towards the things that you have dreamt for you, and you have your intuition guiding you in your career situation, guys. So whatever works out well for you, and you may be seeing positive results for your efforts in your career situation, Capricorn. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this card, the first card, let's see what it is. She offers the sacred wine, so drink. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your circumstances today, you may have a lot on your shoulders, a lot of burdens, a lot of things to do which demands your attention, which demands your work and efforts. But today, the universe or the Holy Spirit or God or whatever you call it, the higher spirit, is coming towards you with a guidance. So it is giving you a sacred wine. It may be a blessing, guys, which you never expected. It may be a blessing that is giving you peace and harmony in your heart of hearts. So maybe you should be able to receive this blessing and be ready to feel drunk with that sacred wine. So what does that mean? It just means that we must let go of all our inhibitions, whatever is holding us back today, and step forward in life wherever life is leading us. Maybe there are some offers or opportunities coming our way. It may not be according to our dream or expectation. It may be something surprising, something coming. And it is also a guidance for us to let go of all the rules and our ideals, whatever we have, and take time off, feel free from whatever is holding us back, maybe even from our day-to-day activities. Maybe we must take a break, feel that silence and bliss in our heart, take time maybe to relax ourselves. So when we do that, we will feel more rejuvenated, detoxed from our day to day life. That is what this card is about, guys. So we must put aside the seriousness we have and feel free or feel happy to do whatever we love to do or whatever comes to us. Maybe spontaneously, we may feel like doing something, maybe painting or going out, taking a break from work. So, whatever it is, it's simply going to act as an inspiration today, guys, for us. So, that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the energy. So, let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it is the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you are someone who is really patient and loyal, trustworthy. You are a very reliable person, friendly person, and that may be the reason people love you. And this card stands for friendship. Maybe someone has moved away from you. That person would have been your very close friend, maybe because of some addictive behaviors or something. They have moved away and they have even forgotten this friendship you both shared. But today, just because of the way you are a true friend, a loyal friend, trustworthy friend, and your patience and love towards this person has changed them today, guys. They are coming back to you. So that is what this card is about. So it may be your friend or it may be the person you love. So they are seeing things more clearly today, and they are releasing themselves from the grasp of some addictions. They would have found it really difficult till now, but today they are coming back to you, guys. They want to come back and they are giving up these addictive behavior or some kind of obsession they had. So that is the energy with this card. So you are going back to that enduring bond you both had, that love and friendship you both had. So your love and friendship has triumphed today, guys. It has triumphed over all the obstacles you had, maybe the addictions or some other obstacles it may be, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.